Imagine a world where the air that we breathe is pure and invigorating, where the sky is a deep blue without any haze of pollution, where children can go and play outside without worrying about respiratory diseases. This world is not merely a dream, it's a possibility that we can strive for. Air pollution has taken over every aspect of our lives. It is one of the major causes of the health problems that we encounter every day. But what if I say that this problem has a very powerful solution provided by nature itself? The solution that I provide today is algae bioreactors, the future trees. Algae bioreactors or an algae-based air purification system would use the poisonous gases that are already present in the air, the pollutants like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides, and it would convert them into oxygen that would then be released into the atmosphere. This system would have three major parts: the culture tank, the air supply unit and the lighting unit. Here we are using the photosynthetic abilities of the algae. Algae has the exact same pigment as plants, which is the chlorophyll A, but it can produce oxygen at a rate far faster than normal green plants. The algae, to perform this process, needs light. In daytime, it can use sunlight, but in cloudy days and nighttime, we need to provide artificial light ranging from 400 to 700 nanometer, which can be used so the process does not stop. The thing that's actually happening, the algae that we use is either spirulina or chlorella because of their high rates of oxygen production and because they are the most similar to green plants. The air will be pumped to this algae, which will perform a stepwise series of chemical reactions, produce oxygen, which will be then released into the atmosphere. The apparatus is comparatively simple. To have a deep look inside it, we can see in this next slide. There is to be a pump which will pump the air inside the tank. The tank will have the culture fluid containing the algae and the nutrients that the algae needs to survive and grow. The air, once pumped, will undergo a series of stepwise filtration where it will dissolve into soluble compounds like nitrogen dioxide gets converted to NaNO3, which the algae then uses to produce oxygen. The other efficiency and performance statistics of this system we can say are the spirulina harvest per day in this system is 50 times more than what we will get naturally. We can obtain approximately 12 gram per meter cube of algae in this system, and the amount of oxygen that we are producing is 2 cubic centimeters of oxygen per second, which is 30 times more than what a plant produces in a day. Algae bioreactors are important and the best option available in the market right now, just because in areas such as underground metro stations where growing trees is not a possibility but the amount of polluting gases is high, these are very efficient, they are space saving and they produce energy in a very sustainable method without using any renewable sources. The real world applications has been several. Firstly, it was for the first time introduced in Serbia, known under the name Liquid 3, then in Berlin, Germany and Paris, France. Why is this the best option when there are so many other options of air purifiers in the market? The other air purifiers which we can see here do clean the air physically. They remove the smoke and the dust particles, but they don't remove the viruses, the bacteria, the bioaerosols and the viruses which are present in the air. But when we see the algae apparatus, it does generate oxygen more than any of these, but also it entirely cleans the air, so there is no pollutants left in the air once the process is completed. In the end, I would say climate change is here. It's happening now. And we as humans, it is our responsibility to save our planet. So every day we need to ask ourselves, if not me, then who? And if not now, then when?